Hi guys, this is Ms Rosa. Today we're going to make another cool science experiment. And we're going to use in a dish right here, any kind of dish, just plain regular milk. Okay, and you can put just a little bit of milk in a dish. Like I said, we're going to use regular food colorings, and I do have all four primary colors, and I am going to use all four of them. And then also I have a little bit of the dishwasher detergent and just a regular Q-tips. Are you guys ready? The first thing that I have to do is I'm going to put a few drops inside of the dish with the milk, and I'm going to use the yellow and amarillo. I am going to use the red, rojo, and I put a few drops just everywhere. You can make any design you like. I'm kind of doing like a circle. I'm going to use green. So we put a few green everywhere. And then verde, and then also blue, azul. So like I said, you can use any colors you want. I'm going to use all four of them. And you see, it looks like a little bit like a flower. So the next thing I'm going to do, are you ready? I am going to dip the Q-tip inside with the dishwasher detergent. You see? And are you guys ready? What's going to happen? See right here? I'm just going to dip right in the middle. And to see what kind of, look at this. Do you guys see? It's not even inside. Look at the reaction of what it makes. Do you guys see that? All of the colors, it just stay away from that, and this is the reaction. And it's like a running colors, a running rainbow. You see it? I hope you guys will have a chance to do this at home. You can do as many times as you like. You just have to change the milk in any colors you like, any designs as well. I hope you have fun. I hope you have a chance to make it, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.